Hey guys, my name is Scott from Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we're taking a look at Mr. Young's inflatable air mattress. So we're gonna use our power station to inflate the air mattress. So go ahead and open up the little door here. Take your 2-prong power supply cable. Once connected, you're gonna go and you're gonna turn this to inflate. All right guys, so a couple things, some tips. It's going to deflate when you're laying on it and sleeping on it during the night. So here's the thing, because it's made out of like plastic and the materials inside, the heavier weight that is on this sleeping mattress, the more it pushes out pressure on the sides, which stretches out that plastic. So over time during the night, it might sag and it might droop a little bit. So it's good to do this. It's good to lay on it ahead of time, you and whoever's gonna be on it, and then inflate it up to the maximum with you laying on it. And then in the middle of the night, if it sags a little bit, that's okay, because it's actually makes it softer for your body, so you're not gonna wake up as stiff. But anyway, it's actually nice. I like it. It's soft, it's comfortable. This is nice. I like this. It's a nice air mattress. It didn't take too long to inflate. You could easily fit 2 people in here. It's nice. Now, of course, we can inflate it a little bit more. So we'll inflate it. It'll get a little stiffer as it inflates a little bit more. You guys will start to see that. That should be good enough. But yeah, guys, it's nice. We can show you guys how high off of the ground it is. So it actually is pretty high off. Like, it's high, which I love. Overall, I think you guys are gonna love this. I like it. I like the material. It's lightweight enough that, you know, if you wanted to pick it up and carry it somewhere, you could easily pick it up and carry it. Overall, it's a very nice air mattress for indoor, outdoor. Again, if you're using it outdoors, just make sure there's no sharp items or objects around the side or the base of it, and you guys will be Gucci. So, my name is Scott from Scott's Honest Reviews. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is actually really comfortable. Like, it'd be fun to sleep outside tonight. Just look at the stars on this mattress. We might have to do that.